Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 110. In today's episode, we're going to take a look in a child's ear. Normally, I'm very careful of making sure that we don't know that the patient's gender or age, but in this case, I don't have to worry about it. This is my son's ear and he's 10. He really likes having his ears cleaned. As we look back down, this ear recently had an ear infection. He was on antibiotic drops for about 10 days. We can see a clear view of the eardrum, so we asked him to Valsalva to make sure that eardrum moves. There it goes, great movement. So this ear looks really good, the eardrum looks very healthy. Now we're going to look at the other side, and as we look in, we just see kind of a wall of dry, dead skin and some earwax. For a 10-year-old, he does have fairly narrow ear canals, so the tool I'm using is straight. There's not a lot of curve to this curette, so a big hook on that curette would not service his ears well. As we pull this wax out, you're going to see that it's flaking and very dry. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps to keep me motivated to put out this content for education and entertainment purposes only. This is not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. That's my disclaimer for the day. Alright, as I use the camera to push that dry skin aside, you can see that it's still attached to the roof of the ear canal, so I'm going to use the curette to remove that. Hopefully it'll come out in one piece and not get too stuck on all this dry junk in the outer ear. Alright, now that that's out, we do get a good view of the eardrum, but we're not quite done yet. As we were going in, you saw some dry skin and debris on the bottom of the ear canal. Now we could leave this, but it's just more satisfying to get it all the way out, and that's really what he wanted me to do. So, use the curette, pull that out. As long as we can get it past these little hairs and all this dry skin, will be pretty good. Alright, as we look back in now, again, that great view of that healthy appearing eardrum. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.